Everything in PyTorch starts with tensors. Tensors provide methods for manipulating data. Autograd automatically computes gradients. This powers neural network learning. PyTorch provides many pre-built neural network layers. You can combine them to create complex models. Activation functions introduce nonlinearity. They allow neural networks to learn complex patterns. Loss functions measure how wrong the model is. The goal is to minimize loss. Optimizers update model weights. They help the network learn efficiently. DataLoader feeds training data in batches. This keeps training fast and organized. This is the heart of deep learning. Forward pass, compute loss, backpropagate, update. PyTorch can move tensors and models to GPUs. This enables large-scale AI training. PyTorch supports nearly every modern deep learning architecture, from image recognition to genome foundation models.